Original song influenced by the Holy Spirit. Written by Tiftopia. There is no condemnation from the Christ that I serve. He only wants to love you and bring peace to your weary soul. Open up your heart, let His love in through the chambers of your heart. Holy Spirit, you're invited. Come in and start a fire. He only wants to love you and bring peace to your weary soul. Open up your heart, let His love in. That's the Christ I know. He only wants to love you and bring peace to your weary soul. Open up your heart, let His love flow. Greatest love you'll ever know. He's the keeper of my soul. He has made me